Hey guys, Brandon from Illusions Mobile Auto Spa with another video, and today's topic is going to be these guys. What are they? People mistake this for maybe road tar or some type of contaminant in the paint, but it's not. It's actually from your mulch, the mulch that your landscapers put down. This is known as artillery spores, shotgun spores, artillery fungus, whatever you want to name it, black dots, whatever. The whole point here is that they are not easy to get off. They are a pain in the ass. So we're going to discuss and show you how to get these off. So let's go ahead and start by spraying the surface down. We're going to use some quick detailing spray. We're going to use a clay bar. Now the clay bar is just the first step to getting this off. Now the clay bar is going to safely pick up the majority of these things. You hear that? They're not even coming off with a clay bar. But luckily, these haven't been on here that long. Alright. Now as you can see, look at that. They're all over the place. Go ahead and wipe that down. And the problem here is that it does leave the remnants, like these little spots. You can see they're smooth, and that's the issue with these little things, is that they leave behind the brown spots that are very hard to get off. Now you can try to polish this with a rotary or a dual action. It may come off, but it won't come off as efficient as concentrating more energy and pressure in that specific area. What we're going to do now is we're going to take some 3D1 on a soft microfiber. So let's go ahead, put some of that right there. Just go ahead, put that pressure in that area. See, just like that. Concentrate a little bit more pressure in this area. It's off. Go to the next spot. It's off. All right. I mean, you got to repeat the process. It's a very big project, but eventually you will get to the finishing result, which would be nothing but clear paint. As you can see, guys, it's all over. I have a huge project ahead of me. So I'll see you guys later.